What is going on, team? I'm glad to be back posting for you guys, and with this video I'm actually celebrating 2 years of being on YouTube, and I'm very happy that I have an opportunity and chance to share with you guys my experiences and my knowledge. And after all this time, I realized that I never shared why I started my YouTube channel. So here it goes. The reason why I started this channel was to inspire people. Not in the sense of, oh, look what I'm doing and this is so cool and amazing, but more so is that because I'm a normal person that with a lot of hard work, a lot of pursuing goals and working with people and just experiencing things and being honest with myself, I've had experiences that they have been more than normal. I feel like I've experienced things that are kind of extraordinary at times. So many things that I never even had on my list, but these things have been just such a great experience. And I really think that you don't have to be extraordinary or you don't have to be the best at anything to be fulfilled and to be happy. So that's why I started my YouTube channel, was to inspire you guys to follow the road that you set, because there are plenty of checklists for success, but success does not always mean fulfillment. I genuinely believe that everybody has something special about them. I think that it's important that we work with each other and pull each other up to help us find ourselves. We get caught up in trying to figure out what success is based on what other people say, but I really think success shouldn't be the goal as much as fulfillment. And you know, if you're not happy, then what's it all for? So I appreciate every single one of you that has subscribed, commented, and by the way, in terms of comments, if you have questions, feel free to hit me up at any time. I really appreciate if you put the comments or questions in the comment section on YouTube. Subscribing, commenting, liking, and sharing definitely helps the channel grow. I never thought that I would have this many people subscribe to me and what we're doing, but I'm happy and it's only gonna get better. Every day I'm working on bringing you guys content. You guys are always on my mind in terms of what could they use, what could be useful, how can I help, how can I inspire them, not just to build the car. Building cars is cool and everything, but it's more about thinking about who you are and what you're doing, what you wanna do. So with that being said, you may be wondering, Ryan, like what have you been up to? I've been up to a lot. A lot of it has been creating a foundation for us to share and talk and everything. And that's why I started the website. So with the website, I wanted to do a couple things. I wanted to give you guys access to information faster and more efficiently, because it takes me a lot longer to make a video versus write an article and make visuals. So my ask for you guys is to go to the Ryan King Uploads website, it's ryankinguploads.com, and subscribe to the newsletter. Now I'm not gonna spam. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tell you guys when I update a new article. Usually it's gonna be a technical article or it could be an event. And from there, you guys will have direct access to articles and things that may help you with your build or current events. And I'm doing this because not all content is social media friendly. Sometimes it's a lot easier to write an article and for you to reference. Now, if I was to write something on a social media thing, you have to scroll through all my stuff. On my website, I'm setting it up so you have access to all my stuff without looking too hard. Well, let me show you. Oh, what is going on? Not even a sub-Raven's in there. Y'all know I have the 6-speed set up. The WRX transmission is out. The engine is out. And my garage is a mess. There's a bunch of parts that we're gonna be installing in one or both of the cars. You got flywheels, clutches, heat stuff, fuel pumps, all kinds of goodies. And now that the STI transmission and the WRX transmission is out, I have the hubs, I have the axles, and I have all those things where I can do a compare and contrast. And I'm also gonna be updating Benji with some little goodies. I mean, you'll see, like there's some things coming. In addition to the work that I've been doing on Benji and Dirty D, I've also been talking to people. I actually have been speaking to a couple of motorsport personalities so we can learn from them and what they do in their craft. I still have a bunch of stuff from SEMA where we go over their products and we talk about how to use them in detail. And I even been working with clothing companies. There's a clothing company called Paxture. They usually do like outdoor wear, which I do. I am an active person. I do like being out in nature and mountains and snowboarding and biking and all that stuff. But they have a new pant where I can use that for hiking, or I can use it when I go to take pictures at racetracks. It's very versatile. Check them out at paxture.com. I'll put the link in the description. But you know I cannot leave without showing you guys something that I've learned. So here we go. So to get the transmission out, see the clutch, this is the clutch fork, and this is a little shaft. To get it out, there's a plug here. And for that plug, to get it, you gotta take out that hex, and it's a long tube. And there's a bolt hole that you gotta screw into. And let me show you the part right now. This is, can't see my screen. So this is the part, and if you notice, so this, what I'm using to pull it out, is actually the battery terminal J hook. This holds down the battery. So you can just screw it in, and because it's long and has a hook, it makes it a lot easier to slide out. So this is how this works. Goes into here. So you can't pull the engine out because the clutch fork never, I'm doing this one. So with this setup, you cannot separate the trans from the engine. You have to pull it out. So when you have the hook in, it makes it a lot easier. You can pull on the hook and it slides it out. Otherwise you'll have to scramble around in the garage looking for, you know, that 10 mil that fits, and then you gotta figure out a way to yank it out. With this, you can literally just take your battery tie down, turn it in, pull it out. It takes 2 seconds, way easier. So needless to say, I am blessed to be able to share with you guys my journey and everything that I've learned thus far. I look forward to hearing from you guys and seeing your builds. I'm genuinely, when I say keep me posted about your builds, I genuinely want to know like what's been going on. And you can tag me on Instagram or whatever platform you use. I'm on TikTok now. The old man is on TikTok. It's actually a pretty cool platform. So I'm gonna be doing more TikToks. All that to say, thank you. Thank you for watching, for commenting, for sharing, for subscribing, for asking questions, because all those things has helped me come to this point in the channel and in my life, really. It sounds dramatic, but it really means a lot to me, and I'm having a great time sharing with you my experiences and knowledge, or lack thereof. So, till next time, stay tuned, and thanks for watching.